Hello and welcome back to Csylnaturals DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this homemade moisturizing face cream. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a video. So to get started, I'm going to be using 4 ingredients for this face moisturizer. The first I'm using is beeswax. Beeswax is good for the skin. It moisturizes the skin. And the next is my petroleum jelly, aka Vaseline. So after putting it in a bowl, I'm going to melt it over a double boiler. And to make your double boiler, you put water in a pan and put the butter, the oil and the beeswax on it, then it will melt. Then after melting, I added my baby oil. You can use any oil. Here I use Johnson baby oil. Then I added my castor oil to it. So at this point, this is what it looks like. So I'm going to mix it. The next I've added is my vitamin A oil as an antioxidant to this recipe. Since there's no water, just oil, so I added only vitamin A. No preservative on this. So guys, after mixing it together, and in a clean container, a sanitized container, I pour in my face and body moisturizer, and here is the final result. And if you love a different fragrance different from the baby fragrance, you can add any essential oil of choice. But for this tutorial, I added no fragrance because of the baby oil in it. I love the baby smell. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give a thumbs up, share my videos and like them. Comment if you have any concern or question. I will respond immediately. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in my next video. Bye.